Yeah, I was looking at one of those. You can take it at work. I was going to buy one for parts because it was about brand new. The only thing that's they probably just found that. Yeah, the one that I saw had a stamped more parts in the spring. It had a check firing proof. Yeah, it's kind of like.
Huh? Am I hitting anything?
You're high. You're going for the third to the right.
It doesn't have a hole for the.
That running line thing. You can see where that used to be.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, that's like a Polish.
High point, 9mm.
You go.
Almost no kick whatsoever. This is
yeah,
sure with this yet. That's good quality.
The manufacturer. I was thinking about buying one.
I hit it too, didn't I?
That thing is
Man, that muzzle brake.
Could be just the nipples a little bit.
I'd love to. I'm going to try shooting. One more time. Sure. We can fire this up and we'll for you.
What was the rationale for dropping that?
For the going down?
Yeah.
The leaf was too weak. That should be it.
That's cool. That's your...
Yep. That all six? That should be all six. Here, show me that once.
After I'm done, you could have a stab at her if you want.
Yeah, I'd love to shoot it.
There's a mag pouch right there. Go grab a mag.
Hold on one sec.
There's
Proper gun handling.
Just take a box. Hey, how do you use this contraption? I just got it on semi first. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh man! Think quiet.
Jeez. Yeah, no muzzle blast there.
First beam flush. Yeah, with that inside, yeah. These three are the other ones. Brian, until you get them or what? Cheater. You can ask her to send him a can opener.
solid squeeze with solid release. Otherwise, that's a long pull. You don't need to.
Why are you moving?
Safety's off, she's hot. Fire.
Car before. Gas in it? Huh. Only 20 rounds.
Done already?
Okay, Alan. So now pull it back and then let it go when it gets this way. Okay? Now put it on fire.
Okay.
Try it with one round first. Just shoot.
You got a pencil picture?
No, I haven't got to yet. That's you gotta.
How much is this going to kick?
Okay, not much. Hang on.
Yeah, that's going right through the truck.
Yeah. So much of it. Now switch it.
Oh, that's right.
18 days.
I gotta get moving. That's just too much.
Wow.
Right now.
Dang.
I gotta move you that again.
That's something else.
Are you out, Alex?
Oh,
You're on. Grass kind of flies.
God damn.
I wouldn't want to try to collect that afterwards. I love it!
That's it. Okay, now pull the bolt all the way back again.
Hold on for a second. I think that's it. Yeah.
Straight on the target. Straight on. With the bolt back hard. Right here. Okay. Push his head forward, lift the tray open.
How was that, Jeff?
That
rocks.
Was that cool?
That's much smoother than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
And the rounds go out of there much faster than I thought.
So in that position, back, it has to be there.
Body armor that. Very nice. He loves it.
Easy to aim.
Huh?
It's easy to aim.
Yeah.
There's something wrong with this one.
Guys are all there.
Grass kind of flies.